Hi everyone, it's me Rina Ramos and welcome to my vlogging journey where I will talk about myself, my life, and the rest. Hindi mawawala yung mga perspectives natin pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay. And ang pinakang goal ng vlogging ko is I don't wanna miss any moment of 2026 as part of changes. Hindi naman as in magbabago talaga. Yung parang, let's see kung ano yung mangyayari sa akin or ano yung meron sa 2026. Parang kasi, my entire life, parang ginagawa ko lang, oh, thank you Lord, nangyari sa akin to, without sharing anything. But there was a time in my life, in 2025, where I was able to share yung mga small moments ko sa mga taong to. And I love what they're saying, na sinasabi nila na, parang na-amaze sila, gano'n, na-inspire sila, parang na humahanga sila sa mindset ko. It's not that I'm bragging myself here. I don't want that. It's that gusto ko lang malaman ng mga taong yun na, yun, dahil sa kanila, nag-start talaga ako mag-vlog. Kasi nakaramdam ako na parang, okay, I can really bring, or I can really make connection to other people. I don't want to miss any moment of 2026. So, right now, nakaramdam ako ng share something about what you did on January 1, 2026. So, here it is. Ang ginawa ko noong January 1, 2026. So, holiday ko. And wala, lumabas lang ako, dumaan ako sa church, yun. Kumain kami ng sopas, ng sinokmani, tsaka, yung isa, macaroni salad. Ay, naku, grabe yun, tatlong yun. Favorite ko talaga yon. Masasabi mo talaga na parang kumpleto ang handaan pag meron yun. So, okay. Kwento lang. Pero, ayun nga, as part of 2026, or yung goal natin na let's see talaga or ma-witness yung mga changes ngayon 2026, gumawa ako ng bagong account. Facebook account, Instagram account, at saka Thread account. So, ayun, hindi ko alam kung ano pang meron, ba't kailangan ko pang gumawa ng mga yon. So, basta, ang alam ko lang, I want to see myself changing this 2026. Yung parang ako lang talaga. As in, ako, yung buhay ko, at yung, syempre, ito, part ng ng journey natin to. Pero, ayun nga, hindi ko talaga masasabi pa kung ano pa yung mga i-content ko. Pero, ang pinakang sure dito, syempre, about lang to sa mga buhay ko. Yung buhay nila, ganun. It's not my story to tell. So, focus lang tayo. Random sharing of small moments, small wins, ano pa man yan. Basta, I will make sure not to miss any moment. Oh, wait. I want to share something why I decided to create those accounts. So, syempre nga, di ba, 2026, bagong taon. And ang sarap mag-start kasi pag gantong New Year, di ba? Since I really consider this as New Year, I also want to make things new. So, yung Facebook account, yung IG, yung Thread, itong vlogging journey ko, gusto kong maging sila, parang maging evident talaga na nag-progress talaga ako this 2026. So, tignan natin. Even this vlogging, hindi ko man alam kung para saan to or ano pa man yung content ko. Marami pang babaguhin along the way, like yung introduction, yung pangalan ng YouTube account, yung the way kung paano lahat yan mababago, pero hindi ko pa alam kung paano since hindi ko pa naman nakikita. Pero yun, right now, yun pa lang, whatever I feel like sharing, isi-share ko talaga siya. So, I believe hindi lang naman ako yung may gantong pakiramdam na parang gusto ko mag-vlog, parang there's something about me, special about me, na alam ko sa sarili ko, wala naman talaga, but there's a feeling na nag-i-insist talaga, you have to do something. Pero, yun nga, ayun, so isa to sa mga actions ko. Nakakatuwa lang kasi parang, first day pa lang, pumabor na talaga ang 2026. Whatever happens. So, ano pa ba? Yun lang. And, thank you may napansin kasi akong 2 subscriber. So, thank you to these people na nag-subscribe. Bago, nag-start ako, 20 subscribers pa lang. And then, nakita ko kanina 2 na. So, I don't know kung sino tong mga to. Pero may mga kaibigan kasi akong pinag-sendan. Eh, hindi ko alam kung sino sa kanila yung nag-follow na since hindi naman nakikita. Pero, ayun. O, diba? Nag-vlog ako pero ganito, relax lang talaga. Parang, gusto ko lang mag-share. Yun. So, yes, everyone, you're amazing. Whatever you're doing, keep going. Kung hindi pa man, start doing it. Okay, so, in this space, I consider everyone as growing, progressing. So, let's go and grow together. Thank you. See you in my next episodes. Bye!